Natural and untreated wood. Opt for natural, untreated wood, as treated wood may contain chemicals that could be harmful to plants. Durability. Choose wood that is sturdy and rot-resistant, such as cedar, teak, or oak. Some softer woods can break down faster when exposed to moisture. 2. Preparation of the hollow wood. Drainage holes. Ensure that the hollow wood has drainage holes at the bottom. If there aren't any, drill small holes to prevent water from accumulating and causing root rot. Lining. Consider lining the interior with a layer of plastic or burlap if the wood is particularly porous, which will help control moisture levels and extend the wood's life. Sanding. Sand any rough edges or splinters to prevent injury when handling the planter. 3. Selecting plants. These are ideal for shallow, hollow-wood containers since they don't require much water or deep systems. Herbs. Plants like mint, basil, and thyme can thrive in hollow wood, provided they have enough light and water. Herbs and moss. These work well in damp environments and can be paired with wood for a forest-like feel. Air plants. These don't need solar and can be simply placed inside the hollow wood, creating a minimalist and low-maintenance setup. 4. Soil and watering. Soil type. Use well-draining potting soil for most plants. For succulents, a cactus mix works best, while ferns prefer soil that retains moisture. Watering. Be mindful of overwatering, especially since hollow-wood planters can retain moisture. Water sparingly and allow the soil to dry out between waterings, depending on the plant type. 5. Maintenance of the wood. Protection. Periodically check the wood for signs of rot or decay. Applying a food-safe wood sealant to the exterior can help preserve it. Moss or algae growth. Some humidity-loving plants may cause moss or algae to grow on the wood, which can be part of the aesthetic but should be cleaned if it becomes excessive. 6. Placement. Light. Position the planter in an area with adequate light based on the plant's needs. Some plants may require direct sunlight, while others prefer indirect or low light. Temperature. Ensure the indoor environment is suitable for the plants you choose. Avoid placing the planter near heating vents or drafty windows. Using hollow wood as planters brings a natural touch into the home, enhancing the beauty of indoor gardening. Would you like suggestions for specific plant pairings or other tips?